It's raining something. Let's just see here what's going on. Oh, yeah. So this is this little project we got going in what we've been calling the upper barn, and we've got pretty good grass growing here in our gutter here. So it's been annoying us for a while, so we finally got around to start cleaning it out. We're actually thinking about using it because it looks like very rich compost that is from the leaves just breaking down and the twigs just sitting there in the gutter. It's kind of created a natural compost. All right, made it all the way down now. And this is pretty much everything that came out of the gutter. Some stuff we raked off that were stuck on the roof, big branches, and even a Nerf ball. Yeah.
Look at that junk coming down. That's a good sign. See it down
Yep.
there?
Yep.